Good morning, student. Uh, in previous geometry lecture, we already started the chapter circle. In this chapter, we already explained the all concept of circle, that is radius, what is circumference, then what is diameter, what is chord. All these things are we already clear. Now we have to start with the exercise 6.1. And this chapter is very important in ninth standard. You have to clear all the concept in this chapter. So in 6.1, the question number 1, that is distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 centimeter. Length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. Here the distance of chord is given from the distance of chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. It means the distance of chord and center is given. Length of the chord AB is given, that is 12 centimeter, and you have to find out the diameter of the circle. So we already know that when we draw a perpendicular to the chord from the center, the perpendicular bisect the chord. This is the theorem of chord and the perpendicular drawn from the center. So by using this theorem, you can find out the diameter of the circle. If you know the radius, then you can find out the diameter. So first you have to find out the radius of the circle. Now see here, in the given diagram, we draw the diagram according to the given conditions. A circle with center O, AB is a chord having the length 12 centimeter, and the chord AB is 8 centimeter from the center O. So here OC is the distance of chord from the center, and AB is the 12 centimeter is this length of the AB. When we draw a perpendicular, it means the distance means it is always perpendicular. So OC is always perpendicular to AB. Right, here we already know that this distance is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so let the center of the circle is O and AB is equal to 12 centimeter and OC is equal to, then OC is equal to 8 centimeter. Here it is OC, okay. Here OC is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. AC is 8 centimeter. Okay. Sorry, OC is 8 centimeter. And OC is perpendicular to AB because the distance is always perpendicular. So OC is perpendicular to AB. It means OC divide AB in two equal parts. Means bisect the AB. We know perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. So therefore AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now in triangle OCA, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle. So OC square plus AC square is equal to AO square. So we already know that OC is 8 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter. Therefore 8 square plus 6 square is equal to AO square. So AO square is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. So AO is equal to 10. When we take the square root, then you get AO is equal to 10. Thus, if AO is equal to 10, it means it is a radius. AO is a radius. Then what is diameter? Diameter is double of radius. It means diameter is equal to 2 into 10. So diameter is equal to 20. Diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. So you get the diameter having the length 20 centimeter. In this way, you can use the theorem of Pythagoras as well as you can use the theorem of chord. That is, when we draw the perpendicular to the AB, then it divides the AB in two equal parts. So in this way you can find out the diameter of the circle. Now come to the next. The question number 2. The diameter of circle is 26 centimeter and length of a chord of the circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. See, in all the questions you have to use the Pythagoras theorem and the chord property. That is, when we draw the perpendicular on the chord from the center, it divide the chord in two equal parts. That is, bisect the chord. These two properties you have to use everywhere in the 6.1 exercise. Okay. So here diameter of circle is 26 centimeter and the length of a chord of the circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So diameter is 26 centimeter and chord is 24 centimeter. Here diameter is given and the length of chord is given, and only you have to find out the distance of the chord from the center. Distance of the chord from the center. So now here we already know that when we draw the perpendicular from the center to the chord, it divides the chord in two equal parts. So first you have to draw the perpendicular from the center to the chord. So when we draw the perpendicular, it means OD. This OD is perpendicular to AB, right? So AD is equal to DB. It means AD is equal to DB because the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So therefore here AD is equal to DB. But AO is equal to OC. Here AO is equal to OC. Okay, AO is equal to diameter is given, means radius is half of the diameter. So diameter is 13. Radius is 13. Now in triangle AOD, what we know in triangle AOD or ODA, OD square plus AD square is equal to OA square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Here it is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Right. Now OD square plus 12 square. AD is given, that is 12, half of the chord. So therefore OD square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. OD square plus 144 is equal to 169. So OD square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So OD square is equal to 25. It means OD is equal to 5. When we take the square root of 25, you get 5. So OD. Now OD is the distance of the chord from the center. So thus the distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. Right. Now you get how to find out the distance of the chord from the center. In previous sum, we find out the radius, then you can find out the diameter also. Now here diameter is given and the length of the chord is given, and you have to find out the distance of the chord from the center. Right. Now come to the question number 3rd. See question number 3rd. In this question number 3rd, see what is given. A radius of circle is 34 centimeter and the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. Radius of circle is given. Then the distance of the chord from the center is given, and you have to find out the length of the chord. Okay. Now let the chord be AB. O be the center of the circle. OC be the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord AB. So we know that now the perpendicular drawn from the center to the circle of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. Okay, this is the theorem. Therefore OC, this OC is perpendicular to AB. OC is perpendicular to AB. So again here one right angle triangle is formed there, that is OCA, triangle OCA. In triangle OCA, angle OCA is equal to 90. Okay, it is perpendicular. So again you can use the Pythagoras theorem. Now what is Pythagoras theorem here? Now see, the OC square plus AC square is equal to OA square. Here OC is given 30 centimeter. It is 30 square plus AC square is equal to, then OA is given 34 square. OA is 34, so 34 square. Now 30 square is 900. Here 30 square is 900 and AC square is equal to, the 34 square is 1156. Okay, now come to next. Therefore AC square is equal to 1156 minus 900. AC square is equal to 256. So AC is equal to 16 centimeter. Thus AB is equal to, you already find out the AC, but AB is double of AC. Okay, therefore AB is equal to 2 into AC. Therefore AB is equal to 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Right. So in this way you can find out the AB, length of chord. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. So this is now question number 4. What is question number 4? Radius of the circle with center O is 41 units. Means radius is given. Length of the chord PQ is 80 units. Means length of the chord is given. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. You have to find out the distance of the chord from the center. Okay. So first question and fourth question is same. Now here we know that perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. This is the theorem. You already know this theorem. So by using this theorem, PR is equal to RQ is equal to 40 units. Means total is 80. So half of 80 is 40. So PR is 40 and RQ is 40. Right. Now in triangle OPR, in triangle OPR, in triangle OPR, what we know that OP is known and PR is known. So you have to find out OR. So by again you have to use here the Pythagoras theorem. When we use the Pythagoras theorem, OR square plus PR square is equal to OP square. Now OR square plus PR is given, that is already we find out 40 square is equal to, and OP is 41 square. So OR square plus is equal to 1681 minus 1600. That is the square of 41 is 1680 and square of 40 is 1600. So therefore OR square is equal to 81. Therefore when we take the square root of both sides, then OR is equal to 9 unit. Okay. Now what is OR? OR is the distance of the chord PQ from the center O. So thus the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 9 unit. In this way you can find out the distance of the chord from the center. So student, see, in this exercise, this is only the exercise where you get the same formula, that is one theorem, that is the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord, and other is the Pythagoras theorem. By using these two theorems you can solve all the questions related to 6.1. So use these two theorems and solve the questions. Now 4 questions we already completed. You have to revise these 4 questions with the diagram. So always you have to draw the diagram with pencil and solve the questions. Okay, in exam also you have to draw all the diagrams there. If the diagram is given in the question, then also you have to draw the same diagram in your answer book also, and then you solve the questions. Okay, because the diagram is having the mass, So every diagram having some mass, that is half mass, 1 mass. So you have to draw that diagram. Okay, with pencil, not with pen. So now in next lecture we start the next exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. I will solve that doubts. And you have to uh, again revise that problem set also. Some questions are there. You have to solve that question as a practice. And the assignment given to you, you have to solve that assignment also. And you have to send the confirmation in WhatsApp group. Okay, so here we have to stop the lecture, and after that